Welcome everyone. Today we will be discussing React class components. Class components are defined components that are used to store and manage the state of a React application. They provide structure for the user interface and can be used to customize the behavior of a React application. Class components are created using ES6 JavaScript classes. This syntax is often simpler than functional components as class components can use much of the same syntax as any other JavaScript class. They also have access to special React lifecycle methods such as componentDidMount and componentDidUpdate. These lifecycle methods allow developers to keep track of data and perform necessary operations when data changes. Let's look at an example of a React class component. Say we have a component called greeting that displays a message to the user. To create this class component, we would start by creating the class and providing it with a constructor. In the constructor, we initialize the state of the component and pass in any necessary props. Then, we define the component's render method which will return JSX code for our component. Finally, we can add methods to the component to update our state or perform other necessary operations. Class components give structure and organization to large React applications by helping the developer keep track of state. This makes them especially helpful with complex user interfaces like forms and dynamic components. Class components are also easy to customize and add new features to the application. So, that's a quick overview of React class components. As you can see, they are an invaluable tool in the React developer's toolbox and should be used for any large-scale or feature-rich React application.